I am Martin Sudars from Thales Space. I have been a systems engineer and flight mechanics expert on the HARTED study. The HARTED is actually hypersonic Earth-ready technology demonstrator mission aimed to enable future European sample return missions which have different challenges to face. The biggest challenge is the fact that we are coming back from the outer space, typically from comet, asteroid, and at the entry interface point, at the entry in the atmosphere, we have very high velocity, which then leads to very extreme heating, very high G loads, and then also, let's say, localization issues of the capsule itself for the recovery of the samples. There are many different technologies that need to be qualified and tested before actually the mission can be flown. The most important one is thermal protection and thermal control system, which cannot be tested in corresponding environment in ground facilities. For that reason, we have to fly actually a demonstrator mission, and we plan to do that by launching the vehicle from Earth, flying in a low Earth orbit, and then accelerating the capsule by a solid rocket booster to a velocity which corresponds to return from an interplanetary space. So the capsule will go through very high heating phase and eventually will land in desert of Australia, where we plan to recover the capsule in order to do the post-flight inspection. The vehicle itself consists of two main components: the ERC, the capsule itself, which is filled with various sensors for the aerothermal environment characterization, inertial measurement unit, and a parachute system for the recovery of the capsule. And then we also have this kick stage, which is basically a solid rocket booster with some basic GNC on it, which takes care of accelerating the capsule to the velocity we require for the re-entry. The capsule, the mission we plan to launch from Europe. We have currently been in talks with multiple launch vehicle providers, and we can use actually a low-cost launch vehicle in order to fulfill this mission. After the completion of the mission, so the data will be analyzed, inspected, and we hope to have a future sample return missions in Europe soon.
Bye-bye.